Driving through Melbourne, Florida, just kind of heading around to check some stuff out. And I just caught this bad boy, and I don't know what's going on there, but I wanted to come by and get a video of it. It's a church parking lot, but I wonder if it's it must be, there we go, Flags for Heroes. I'll capture this here in a second so we can share it, because I think it's important for people to know what people are doing in the community. Knights of Columbus, American flag retirement site. Very cool. Look at that. I don't know. Hopefully it's being captured nicely, but there we go. What does it say? Flags for Heroes. Who is a hero in your life? Knights of Columbus, Council 14573, Assembly 3482. I apologize if I got it wrong. There's some sponsors that cover the cost of it. It looks like there's a one-way here. Wow, that is very cool. I'm not sure how many flags are there. Definitely more than, looks like quite a bit. There's a coconut on the ground too. Anyway,